I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials: a clear goal, basic tools, and a seed outline. First, state your book's promise, genre, and target reader, then pick an AI model and a simple editor. Once done, draft a 10-20 chapter scaffold with 3-act arcs and key scenes as prompts. Next, craft 3-5 scene or chapter prompts that include tone, POV, and constraints. Make sure to save prompts and versions. That creates repeatable inputs you can iterate on as you move into drafting. You now execute chapter by chapter using template prompts: scene goal, beats, tension, and length. Generate a first pass, then immediately edit for clarity and character consistency. Ask the model for 2 alternatives for weak passages. Once a chapter reads solid, run a focused pass to fix pacing, naming, and factual details. Make sure to maintain a change log and archive versions. That prevents regressions. Also, rehearse author queries. Short, precise prompts yield better outputs than long, ambiguous ones. You wrap up with layered polishing, a continuity sweep, pacing adjustments, and theme tightening. Then run grammar and style checks, enlist beta readers, and schedule a final human editor for polish. Once manuscript is stable, prepare metadata, blurb, and formatting for export. If the AI stalls or produces noise, try changing temperature, supplying exemplar paragraphs, or breaking prompts into smaller tasks. Make sure to keep a backup copy and a short troubleshooting checklist so you can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.